Hey, we're back. So for our political action campaign project, we're going to look next at slide number 5, which is election cycle research. So election cycle research is you and your group um, figuring out what's happened in the past concerning your social issue. Um, have people been concerned about this before? If they were concerned about it before, what did it look like then? And what actions did people take during the election cycle that came before your involvement in this? So I know not all political action revolves around voting, but many times it does. So even if there was not something specific on the ballot in your community or your state or your country, what were people talking about during that last election cycle? And when we talk about election cycles, we usually talk about the on-cycle elections. So every 2 years, there's a House of Representatives election. Every 4 years, there's a presidential election. Every 6 years, there are new senators elected, but they do it a third at a time. So every 2 year election cycle, one third of the senators are reelected. So if we are in 2020 right now, which I'm pretty sure we are, you would be 2018. The second to last would be 2016, and then the third to last would be 2014. What happened? What was going on with your social issue, with the thing that you are campaigning about? Um, was there something in your community that was on the ballot? Something in your state that was on the ballot? If there was nothing on the ballot, what were people doing? Were they protesting? Were they talking about this? Who was talking about it? How were they talking about it? What were their ideas to solve this issue back in 2018? What were the ideas back in 2016, 2014? So I want you to get a history of the political activism regarding this issue over the last three on-cycle election cycles. Um, and write your history here in each of these boxes. So I will, have knowledge about, the history of your issue. And really, that's what you're going to be doing for most of this. Is you're going to be showing me that you are an expert on this topic and a master of, of all the information necessary in order to be the best political activist in this realm that you can be. Cool. All right, get to work.